Hello, Jason here. Today is August 10th, and this is your aftermarket update. So this is the first update that I've been able to do for you in several weeks. Had an extended vacation, then got back last week, and getting caught up on all of my work has prevented me from getting a video out. But I'm all caught up, and I wanted to take some time with you today to show you the trade of the day video. It was a nice trade here today. The video itself, the actual trade itself lasts 28 minutes. I was down 26 ticks heading into this trade, and this trade did put me up and got me to a stopping point today. We have changed a little bit since I've been back from vacation. We've changed a little bit, made a paradigm shift in the way that we manage some trades and the way that we manage getting into the trade, and once we are in the trade, what we do thereafter. And you'll see some of that in the video, but from a high level perspective, instead of going all in and scaling out, we're now going in, scaling in, and then all out. So we're scaling in and all out versus all in and scaling out. And so what that's allowed us to do is that allows us to cut back on some of the initial risk. And then once we find out that the trade has gone in our favor, then we're able to maximize the run like we did here on this trade that you'll see here today. We had a few trades ahead of that. Like we talked about, we've done a study on this. We've got statistical information. If you're interested in seeing that back study, testing information, you'll need to come into the room tomorrow, and we'll get you a copy of that. But we're excited about this new approach to the way that we enter and are taking profits on these. One of the things that you know, if you are a regular visitor to the group, or you're a regular room member rather, and you're a regular consumer of the digital media that we provide here, we know that these markets go in steps. And so again, today was no exception. So what we did is we got short up here, and it ended up taking us out at break even in this area. We had a trade in this area this morning that ended up taking us out at break even. We had a series of break even trades that we did take. One small loser. You'll see here that we're coming in and scaling in to this trade. Once you see when we got in up here at this 75 level, it did give us a little bit of heat. We got up to 83. My stop was at 85, 10 ticks, and we rode it all the way down to the target here at 37. Like I told the group, part of this plan, had we not been at 10:30, and that's about the time where I'd like to stop on most days, is this 10:30. This would have been the place to get long up to this next step, and you'll see how the market came back up to this step, actually came up here to this step, came back down, went back up, and then rotated out for the rest of the day. Right here is where we got the lion's share of the move today. So I'm going to let you watch this OTG trade of the day. It lasts about 28 minutes, and so without further ado, here is the entry up here at 75. The stop originally was 85, and we wrote it down to the target here at 37. This video is about 28 minutes long, and so without further ado, here is the OTG trade of the day. Okay, there's 75. Stop is 85 here. Stop is 85. $60 is the first target. Sorry, not first target. It's the ad spot. 60 is the first ad spot. 10 ticks later at 50. It goes to auto break even at 65. There's 82. At 10:08, you have a time frame for a move with the probability long. At 10:08. Patience, there's 78, 80. 80 to 79, 78. You need to close underneath 75 here. This is why we're using 2 lots initially instead of 4. It just minimizes the pain if it takes you out. Otherwise, we'll see what we can do here. So we got to get back underneath 75. That's what we need to do. There's 78, 77, 76. And we got as deep as 74 previously here, so we'll see. We need to get underneath that 75. 139 hit the offer at 77. So 106 on the offer at 78. We got to get through 75. So we need to get through that 78, 77 here. You've got 2 minutes and 20 seconds left on this bar to close underneath 75. Come on, 77, 76. Push your way through it. Got to get through that 77. Keep running down into 77 and can't get through it. There we go. 76. Come on, 75. Muscle through 75. Now let's get down through 65 at a minimum here. Got down to 73. Minute 20 here. Need to close underneath 75. Come on. Push through 72, 71. Get through 70, then 65. Daily R1 up there at 44.71. There's 71. Come on. Get through it. There's 71.70. All right, we go to auto break even at 65. No, I'm short 75, Martin, and I'm in right now on the trade. And then at 85 is the stop. That's the stop loss, is at 85. So I'm not going long at 75 at 85. I've got the stop loss at 85. Ten seconds here. I'd like to close underneath 75 on the 5 minute. 74 or lower on the 5 minute. No, we closed above it. That's not a good sign. That is not a good sign. At the open of the bar in another 2 minutes, we've got a time frame move for a long coming up. We just double top the high at 82. Stop is 85. You've got a time frame move long coming up, and that would be getting you into today's trend. There's 111 short at 84 right now. There's 83 on the new high, one tick. Not an exuberant move on the high. ES is climbing 120 short at 84. Yeah, Dave St. C, I see that. Let me get, Martin, I'll get through this and we'll kind of come back and deconstruct what you're seeing here. I just need to get through this here right now. So we need to get back underneath 75. There's 79. At the open of the next bar, you've got a time frame for a move with the probability to the long side on the open of the next bar. All right, I am going to, whoops. All right, I'm going to flip long at that stop at 85. This is a time frame for a move with the probability long. And so if it comes up, it takes me out up here. It is what it is, but I will flip it long at that point. Otherwise, I'm still short here. There's 76, 75. We're not doing anything yet. We're just in it here. This is the time frame for a move, probability long, right, on this bar right here. But again, it's more about the time than it is the direction. And let's hope that the time is in our direction at this point. We'll see. There's 73, 72. The R1 is 71. We got down earlier as deep as 68. If we get to 68 again, we'll see. Come on. 72, 71. Need to push through it here, though. Add down there at 60. $70. Let's go 69, 68. There's 70 again. Come on, this thing goes step to step. Now let's go down to the next step underneath us here. 68. Come on, 68, 67. There's 66. Okay, there's auto break even now. Good. Okay, I'm in now, and the average in is 70. And let's let this one be the winner here. Okay, averaging in here, 70 is the stop. Next entry is 50. Target is 37. Come on, hustle through it here. I don't think so, Brad, but I'm not sure. I'm going to dig into it when we finish up here today. I don't think so, but we'll see. Adding again at 50. Okay. Getting that confirmation. Going to add again at 50, which would bring the trail stop down to 65. Come on, baby, go. Get through it here. Let's go down to that 37, which is the target. Break even on the stop here. Come on, blast your way through it to the downside. Let's go. 59, 58. Adding again at 50, which will bring your trail stop to 65. Final target down there, 37. There's 57, 56. Double bottom here at 55, just down to 54 now. Some backfilling going on. There's 53, 52. Come on, you can do it. Finish it. Come on, finish this move. Get on down through it here. There's 54, 53. See if we can hustle, hustle, hustle. And down as deep as that 52. 37 is the target, but I may not wait that long. If it gets like to 41 and can't get through it, I may just peel it all off there, potentially. So just understand that if we get down to the top of that box and can't finish the move, I'm going to peel it probably there. New bar in 3 minutes on a 5-minute candle. We got to get through this 53. 52, double bottom on the 1 minute at 52. Come on, get through it here. Okay, we're getting into that. We'll be rolling over into that final 15 minutes coming up here. As we're looking for this thing to go step to step. Got to get through 53, 52. There's 52, 51. And now I'm in at 50. Now we just got to ride this thing home. Trail stop is now at 65. There's 51.50. Come on, 50.49. Let's go. Get through 50.49. We're only 14 ticks from the house. Let's go. If we get to 41 and can't get through it, I will move that stop. There's 49, 48. Let's go. Take it to the house. Take it on home. Let's go. There's 48. All right, so we'll see. 47, 46. We get to 41 and can't get through it. I'm trailing the stop. 146, limit order short at 52. There's 47. Come on. Get through it. Don't stall. Let's go ahead and bring the trail stop down to 60. I'm gonna leave it at break even plus 1 for now at 64. All right, so you've got 28 seconds till the next 15-minute bar comes out. We'll see if we can get some push through that. 37 is the target. Double bottom at 47. Come on, carry us home here down to 37. Finish it. We need some energy, energy, down, down, down. There's 47. Come on, finish it up to 37. Finish it on down to 37. Got 15 minutes. I suspect we'll probably do it as we get into the close. We'll come down to that next step down there as we work our way into the close. But I hope we don't have to go through any nerve-wracking pain here. Stop is 65. So I'm going to quit micromanaging it, and I'm going to get some water. You know where everything is. I'll be back. All right, we need to get through, stay underneath here. There's 55, 54, 54, 53 is what we need to get through again. All right, at 10:30, which is in 12 minutes, I'm going to close the trade out if I'm not still. I'm likely to just close it out. We'll see. Not doing anything yet. But I'm definitely going to tighten up the stop if we get through the 10:30 hour. And come on. Keep me in this thing here. Do not come back too far. I didn't want to break the triple top on the 1 minute at 57. Come on, stay underneath here. Come back. Come back to us. And we just wait now, boy. We're just waiting. It is a waiting game here to see if we can come on back down through here. The ebbs and the flows of it. It's the ebbs and the flows. There's 56, 55. Come on. Get down through here. 55, 54. You've got 10 minutes. We got to get through. Need to go back down and test that 50 level for sure. Need to get through that 55 level. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Just that's the close of the European session, BJ. And welcome to the group, by the way. Welcome this morning. That's just the close of the European session, and you expect some energy into the close, and then it just sort of stalls and fades away around that point, right? And then you get into the lunchtime on the East Coast and all of those kinds of things. So you've got an iceberg at 55 and an iceberg at 56, and you need 56 to hold. Hello, Dimitar. It's good to see you again. Come on. Get through it here. Stay down below 60, 59. You've got 7 minutes till the European session close. Stop is at 65 here. And we have a triple bottom down here now at 55 and a double top at 60. If it breaks 60, it's probably going to take me. Okay, come on. Just 56, 55. Let's get through that 55 area. There's 57, 56. We need to pop 55. If we can get through 55, we'll be in good shape. $54, good. Now let's go all the way to the target. All the way to the target. There's 54, 53. Come on. 53, 52. Let's go. Finish the move down. Spike down there to the double bottom at 53. Now that's the area we have to break is 53. Come on. Let's go test 50. Man, I'd love to test 41. We got to get through the 53. And you've got 50 seconds left here. There's 55, 54. Come on, fight your way through that 53. Dang it. 41 on the total down there at 53 right now. Come on, 55. Let's go 54, 53. Get through it. Got to get through 53. Come on, you can do it. 55. Triple bottom at 53. Last 5 minutes here of the day. Last 5 minutes of the day. Let's see if we can muscle through. To the downside. Muscle through to the downside. This is going to stink. Come on. Finish move down. Finish that move down. Into the close. Let's go take out 37. Three and a half minutes till the bottom of the hour. Come on, fight your way through. Back down through 58, 57. Just choking it out here right now. Okay, come on. Hustle through to the downside. Go take out that 37. 61 is the 70.5 on the... All right, there's 54. You got a triple bottom at 53. Good. Broke 52. Now let's go. Come on. Let's go. Take it. Okay, there's 49, 48, 46. We get to 41. I'm going to close it. Okay, stop now is 55. 10 ticks to 55 on the stop. There's 44. We got to 43. There's 44, 43, 101 at 42. Come on. Finish it. 44, 43. Get through it. Stop is 55. 10 ticks. Finish it. You got down to 43. We got to get through that's fair value down there at 43. You've got 2 minutes left here on this. 2 minutes left here. Come on. Finish 44.43. Let's go. Get through 42.41. There's 42. Boom, 38.37. And there's your... All right, so you could see there that we came right down to the target. It looked a little dicey there for a few minutes. We got to the 10:30 European session close, and I was done for the day. But again, as you can see from the chart, and this was in the OTG trade plan here today, we did come right down to this step at the target at 44.36, and went right back up into the next step up here. So that would have been a valid long. But at that point, I was, like I said, was down 26 ticks going into that OTG trade of the day, and we were able to come back and pick up the 112. So put me up roughly 80, 81 ticks on the day here. So again, a good day here. And we'll get back at it again tomorrow. So as always, I want to say thank you for spending time watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And until tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.